Hi guys, welcome to Vani's Vanity. So today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye look and I will be explaining step-by-step process as well. So let's get started. Starting with the primer, I'm going to be completing the primer and the base as well. So with the MAC concealer palette, I will now be concealing the eyes. I have done the complete base of mine. I've just left the eyes alone so I can show that on the video. So as you can see, I'm packing the eyes first with the orange corrector and then I'm concealing it. Now with the help of a loose powder, I'm going to go ahead and dab that over the lid just to get rid of any creases or a grease line. So now for the eyebrows, I'm going to be taking a dark brown eyeshadow color and just filling that in. I'm not doing any precise or definite lines, just filling it in for the volume. Also, just for the record, there are a lot of products in the market for eyebrows. However, you use a normal eyeshadow color, it's going to do a good job for you. Now coming on to the eyes, I'm going to start with the crease line. I'm going to build in the crease line with a very lighter shade right now. I'm using the Morphe James Charles palette. And yes, I'm going to take a light brown shade first and build that in like so. Now once I'm done packing the color on the crease is where I'm going to start blending it. So as you can see, I only pack the color in the corner, but I blend it towards the inner corner. While blending the eyeshadow, make sure you're blending it into a circular motion. That's how you will be able to get a very blurry outline. Otherwise, you're going to get a very definite or like a very line kind of edges. Now with the same shade, we are going to move into the transition line. Transition line is just below the crease line and above the lid, which is where we're going to have a very lighter shade of the same color that we're using. So this is where we will be able to see the transition from the brown to the with some highlighter in the corner and a little under the eyebrow. Also pack a little on top of the lid just to cool down the black as well. So to finish the eye look, I've applied kajal on the waterline and added on some falsies, just applying the mascara now. So this is it guys, this is the final look for the eyes, and I'm just gonna move on applying some blush. I've already done my base, so I'm just gonna add on some blush. Also I thought of adding on some lipstick as well, so I did apply red lipstick at the end. And this is the final look guys. I hope you guys like it. If so, do like and share and subscribe to my channel Vani's Vanity.